Hello everyone, today to introduce you to MKE KC-500B low-speed tabletop centrifuge with automatic decapitation. This machine is widely used in hospitals, central blood station and other medical institutions. Low noise patent certificate recognized. The noise is lower than 58 decibels when running at the highest speed. 5-inch touch color screen. Synchronized display of rotational speed, centrifugal force and centrifugal time. Press the setup key. Digital reverse blue display to enter the debuggable state. Adjust by increasing upward and decreasing downward. Centrifugal force is the same. Finally, the centrifugation time is displayed in minutes and seconds. On the left side is our accelerated and decelerated gears. It has 10 speeds car. The smaller the number, the faster the speed. Once the parameters are set, you can press the start button. Next, take a look at the inside of the device. Press the door open button. The door cover pops up. The double layer sealing ring design of the door cover body has good sealing performance. Visualization window in the middle. Convenient for researchers to monitor the rotational speed. The machine is equipped with a 64-well decap adapter. In the case of our 5 ml long tubes, directly insert our sample tubes into the corresponding hole. When centrifuging short tubes, we take out the adapter first, take off the decapper, remove the center compartment, and put it into our cap removal rack. Then we put the 2 ml of tubes into our corresponding hole. Finally, we will show you the decapitation effect of this equipment after centrifugation. The automatic decapitation rate is up to 100%.